What nucleic acid contains the genetic information of organisms? DNA. What physical quantity is defined as the product of mass and velocity? Momentum. Which internal layer of Earth generates its magnetic field? Outer core. How is an object's momentum defined? The product of mass and velocity. Which hormone is released a lot during stress? Cortisol. What device does a robot need to perceive its surrounding environment? Sensors. Why does the heart beat strongly during activity? To increase blood supply. What are the primary pollutants that cause acid rain? Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. What is the dough-like layer beneath the crust called? The mantle. What do you call the various pieces that make up Earth's surface? Plates. Under what condition can a liquid evaporate? When molecules leave from the surface. What shape does the magnetic field around a current-carrying wire take? Circular, concentric around the wire. Which type of wave can propagate even in a vacuum? Electromagnetic waves. What device automatically cuts off the current when too much flows? A fuse. What is the collective name for the brain regions responsible for emotions? The limbic system. What weaker brain function makes it difficult to control anger? Emotion regulation ability. Why attach an insulating film to a window? To reduce heat loss. Which alkali metal reacts most violently with water? Cesium. Why do water droplets on a car windshield not spread out but run off? Hydrophobic coating. What biological characteristic is associated with viruses? Self-replication. What device helps a robot perform precise movements? Control unit. Why are cities warmer than rural areas? Because of the urban heat island effect. What is at the center of the solar system? The sun. In cellular respiration, which stage produces the most ATP? Electron transport chain. What heat-resistant structure do bacteria form to enter a dormant state when nutrients are lacking? Spore. What type of molecule explains why detergents or soaps can remove grease? Surfactant. Why do nerve cells have a branching, tree-like shape? To efficiently transmit signals. What is the property that impedes the flow of electric current called? Resistance. How should a circuit be connected to keep a light bulb lit if another bulb goes out? In parallel. In the human digestive system, where does most nutrient absorption occur? Small intestine. What properties do substances in the gaseous state have? Their shape and volume change. They have no fixed shape or volume. What type of chemical reaction involves a decrease in the oxidation number of an element? Reduction. What do we call a vast collection of stars grouped together? Galaxy. What is the evidence that the Milky Way is rotating? Observed motions of stars. What feature makes a drone land automatically when its battery is low? Automatic return, return to home, function. Which layer of Earth's atmosphere is located at the greatest altitude? Exosphere. What is the process called when a solid changes into a liquid? Melting, fusion. Which allotrope of carbon is used for pencil lead? Graphite. What are the small solid particles produced during a volcanic eruption called? Volcanic ash. What is the phenomenon in which electrical resistance disappears in certain materials when cooled near 0 K? Superconductivity. Thanks for watching all the way through. Share your science knowledge in the comments. Your support helps us create even more science quizzes. See you in the next one.